Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to give you a full room walkthrough of a garden view room at RIU Montego Bay in Jamaica. This is room 5108 located in building 5. Upon check-in, they will give you room key cards and towel cards. Here you do have the bathroom. It was pretty clean and spacious. In the shower, you do have conditioner, hair, and body wash. In the closet area, you do have plenty of storage space. They also give you an umbrella in case you need to use it while you're there. On the right hand side, this is a fully stocked bar and this is included. So you do not have to pay additional for this. Down below, you do have your standard coffee maker. And below that, you do have the mini fridge. This is fully stocked as well with your waters, your sodas, and your beer. Again, you don't have to pay additional for any of this. So the room was pretty cold, not gonna lie. You can request a blanket at the front desk and they can bring that up to you. If you are wanting your bed sheets changed, you do have to put this on the bed in order for them to change them. On this right hand side, you do have additional storage. Overall, this room was pretty standard, very spacious, and it was clean. You also have this beautiful balcony. Again, this is a garden view room, so this is what the view would look like. If you are wanting to see the rest of our experience here at RIU Montego Bay, I will have that linked down below. I'll show you the RIU parties as well. If you are looking into RIU Montego Bay versus RIU Reggae, Reggae is actually where we stayed, and so I will have a whole separate video showing you what it's like on that side. Everything will also be linked down below. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.